Hey guys, it's Courtney, and I'm here with a very quick video showing the new Congrats die by Simon Says Stamp. And the die comes like this, so you want to cut out all of those inner pieces there. And I'll show you how this assembles. So it cuts out like this, and I'm using a heavyweight black cardstock here by Simon Says Stamp, and you can see that there's some score lines there. So I kind of just fold it a little bit to kind of get it started and make the creasing a little bit easier. On the top and bottom score lines, I'm going to fold those in the opposite direction. So it's going to kind of go together like an envelope. And the thinner the cardstock you use, the easier this will be. I used a very thick cardstock. So I am going to take my bone folder to just kind of get those creases down pretty well and really creased so it lays somewhat flat. Next, I'm going to take this little piece here and run this through my die cutting machine again. And this is going to cut out little slits, and this is where my gift card will be. So I have some messy folds, I guess you could say, and the thicker the cardstock you use, the more likely you are to have those. So I just use a sand eraser to kind of smooth those out. Next, I'm going to take this little tassel, I guess it is, and I cut that from some yellowish gold cardstock, and this was just from my scrap bin. I'm going to stick that down with my Tombow Mono multi glue right to the top portion of my little graduation cap there, and then this little black dot for, I don't know what this would be considered, like a button, I guess. I don't know. And you can see that my gift card slides right in that slot, and it folds over perfectly, and this fits in an A2 size envelope perfectly. But you can also put this on the inside of a card. So I'm going to assemble a very, very quick card. This is not a card tutorial by any means, but I just want to kind of show you what else comes in this die. So I did take another piece of that black cardstock and cut that down with a large stitched rectangle die by Simon and just glued that down to an A2 size note card. And this is a top folding note card. It fits best if it's a vertical or a portrait card. Next, I'm going to take my Congrats word as well as the shadow, and I cut this out from black and white cardstock using my Tombow Mono multi glue to adhere my word down to that little shadow, and you can certainly use like double-sided adhesive for this. And stick that down, and there's also a little mini graduation cap that comes in the set too, and I cut that from white cardstock, and I'm just going to center that onto my card. Glue that down flat with my Tombow Mono multi glue because this is kind of going to be a bulky card to begin with. And finally, I will go ahead and just put adhesive on the back portion of my gift card holder there, making sure I don't go over the little flaps so that my gift card can move in and out. And you can see that fits perfectly inside of an A2 size card. So that is it, guys. I just wanted to show you how this goes together. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.